What's up, guys? Just want to do a really quick update video on the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys. Went ahead and put an Icon 2.5-inch lift on it with some fuel ammo wheels and some 315 70 17 Toyo mud terrain tires. The lift came out to about 4.5 inches, so it's freaking huge. So I figured I'd do a really quick video before I take this bumper off to show you how it kind of looks like now, because I'm about to put a new bumper and winch on, and then I got a rear bumper and tire carrier coming in the next week and a half, so that should be here. So I've barely done any videos on this. I still haven't put the video up. Well, hopefully it'll be up before I put this one up of its stock to even show that I got this thing. So, but anyways, here it is, really quick. Got the Rugged Ridge Arcus bumper, which I think is going to look really good. This is a spare tire. So basically these are 35s. But yeah, the lift came out absolutely massive. So I figured the weight of a bumper and a winch and a tire carrier and bumper in the back is probably only going to drop this about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And it is just, like I said, massive. Like I said, according to my measurements, I got a 4.5-inch lift. Everybody says that for whatever reason, the Icon lift comes out big, and it definitely does. It's huge. It feels absolutely massive, which is awesome. I love the way it looks. Drives perfect. I did the stage 2, but went ahead and stage 3 is both front and rear track bars. I went ahead and just got a front track bar. They said that'd be fine, so I'm going to call this the stage 2.5 kit. So, but anyways, just wanted to get a quick video of this, and I'll get one when it's complete, front and rear bumpers, to give you guys updated. I don't even think I have 1,000 miles on this yet. I think that's like 700 or something. Absolutely love this Jeep. Kids love it. We're having a great time in it. It's an awesome vehicle. I do miss my bikes, but again, there's only so many places I'm just been going, and all my buddies aren't riding or don't have bikes actually anymore. So sold all the bikes and got this. Here it is. All right, guys, I'll try to post that video, which hopefully I've already done by the time this comes out. See ya.